Hello guys, my name is Luca Martins and we are InvestPlus Realty. Today we're here in Winderemere to show you a luxury home, what $1.9 million can buy. Today we got the entire team to show this house. Rosario will take you to the master bedroom to show, and the rest of the team will show you the entire house. So stay tuned because you're about to be impressed.
Look at this gorgeous master bedroom, very spacious with 12-foot ceiling. On this side here, if you follow me, it has its own porch with this amazing lake view. Guys, check out this master bathroom. It has his and hers closet, dual sink. Lara is going to show you this amazing pool. Hello, Lara.
Now you have this beautiful resort style pool with a golf field and also a lake view. And also, let me show you. Imagine you entertain your family and your friends with this beautiful gourmet kitchen. And Marcelo, tell about the lake.
On that side, we have golf course. On that side, you got lake view. Now you have two things with the price of one.
Guys, look at this country style kitchen.
This is very beautiful. You can see here the Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. You have your formal dining room and you have your formal living room.
So guys, this we have one more bedroom with a bath. This is gorgeous.
Another great feature of this home is this beautiful movie theater. Plenty room, a professional 3D projector, 85-inch screen, a bar to help you with drinks and popcorn. You never grow thirsty. And if the movie is not enough to touch your feelings, come check this view. Beautiful.
Let me show you the exterior of this Mediterranean style home here in Keenes Pointe Winderemere. 3-car garage. Guys, let me show you the dock of the Bat Lake chain of lakes.